Here we are, folks. We have a box. And we have some hose clamps. I wonder why we'd need those. So I'm just going to do a quick, very quick unboxing. Hopefully you can see. Oh, let's see. What the nice delivery man has bought for us, because as seems to be the case with this charity bike, there's always something to do. What have we got? A box in a box. We like boxes in boxes. Especially considering now we've got a silly little bag for our recycling. Open this up. Now this has come courtesy of Fowler's. Obviously I've had to pay for it, but they overnighted this for me. Given that as I'm recording this, there is 2 weeks exactly. In 2 weeks' time, I should be well on my way to Scotland by now. Triumph, What is in this box? And why do we need one of these, whatever it is? Well, as you know, I have replaced the coolant hoses, replaced the seal on the water pump housing and the O-ring into the engine, refitted it, bled it, put all that together. I went away for 3 days, come back and there's coolant on the floor. And it seems the pump has decided now to leak from the weep hole. Now the weep hole is an indication that the pump is failing, or the seals in the pump are failing. So we bit the bullet and we bought a brand new water pump assembly. It's getting daft now, isn't it? Which comes with another new seal, so I didn't need that, and this gasket here, so I didn't need that. But yeah, we're going to fit this a bit later on. I just wanted to get the unboxing done. But yeah, it'll be in a moment for you. But yeah, so just an explanation, I will show you on the bike as well. But in here, there's a hole machined into the casting, and there's another one just in there. And that's basically, there's a ceramic seal and then a rubber seal, I believe, in like a cup and a housing. Put a picture in here, it's hard to explain. But that sits behind the impeller in here. And at the point where that seal starts to fail, just through age or lack of use of correct mixture coolant or various things, that starts to fail, and the water then will start to seep in to this centre housing, and then it will drip out of this hole or this hole. And in the event that that happens, that gives you an idea as it's starting to fail that you've got a problem before the water pump completely fails. Because if this oil seal gives up here, then that water can get into the engine. If this fails and comes this way, you'll get oil coming out of here instead, which indicates to you that this has failed, to stop you mixing oil and coolant and having catastrophic damage. So it's a fairly good system, but it's quite frustrating when it occurs. But yeah, so brand new, genuine Triumph oil pump, and I'm hoping that is the very last part we need. I'm going to book the MOT for Friday. As I say, this is Wednesday, so we're getting quite tight on the deadline now. I think we got enough time to do it. I was quite down about it the other week, well, last week. Really thought there's no chance, but I'm a little bit more optimistic now. But just for indication purposes, you can see a little spot of coolant there. Now it's not drastic, but these things rarely get better, and as with the other stuff, hopefully, here's my torch, a bit of light. There we are. You can see the coolant there, and that's coming out of the wee pole up there. Probably won't be able to see it, but as I say, I've shown you on the new pump. So yeah, and you will have already seen that Luke has helped me get the back end back together. So we've got the final drive all torqued up, the brake pads are back in, and since replacing the wheel bearings I've got new seals in the wheel there, and since doing that the disc is actually sitting central again now and it's not rubbing. It was really hard up against the caliper, and those pins have been cleaned and greased. So outstanding jobs. We're going to clamp these hoses off, get that pump back on this afternoon, this evening, whenever we get a chance. Bleed that, and then all we need to do, drop it down to its side stand, do the final adjustment on the chain, fit the screen, turn it around, push it through the house, fit the fuel tank, battery, seat, take it to an MOT. Scotland. So yeah, join me in an instant second for you, this evening for me, and we'll get on with this. As if by magic, that is one water pump replaced. The bike is now out the front, but that'll be the subject of the next video. Getting the final steps done for the MOT, and then hopefully we can head north. Thank you for all your support so far, guys, and the support that's gone onto the Just Giving page for the Rainbow Children's Trust charity is just incredible. So thank you for everybody that's donated so far. If you can donate and you haven't, then please head over there, give the support you can give. If it's not in your means, please just share the word, spread all these videos, let everybody know what we're doing, why we're doing it, and yeah, I suppose without further ado on that, click like, subscribe, all the good stuff as per usual, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.